Hello Pressaholic gang, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, my name is Deja, and if you guys are into anything nail related, then just click that subscribe button and leave me a comment to let me know that you are new so that I can welcome you to my channel. Welcome. So today I'm going to show you guys how I encapsulate my nails. I've gotten so many questions on how I encapsulate, so here we go. You're going to need chunky glitter. That's what I'm going to call it for the duration of the video. These little silhouettes. For this video, I'm using glitter. You do not need the glitter. You don't have to have it. And base coat for sure. And I'm also using a small container just to keep those chunky glitters inside. So starting off, I'm going to do a layer of base coat, and I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. Now, you guys don't need to just apply the base coat. If you're using gel polish, then you would do your regular routine. So you would do 2 layers of whatever color you're going to use, cure it for 30 seconds, and then apply the base coat. While that base coat is still hot in the lamp, it's still going for 30 seconds, I'm going to set myself up, and for this video I just decided to use glitter. I have so many glitters, guys, and I really don't use them. I honestly hate glitter. It's so messy, but I did get this glitter for free from PRESSEDAHOLIC months ago and just ended up never using it. So yeah, that's why I used it today. I don't know the exact name of this glitter either. It's not like on the packaging, so I can't help you guys out there. Very sorry. And I'm just packing in that glitter using my finger. Now, once that is pressed in there, I'm going to go in with a nice thicker layer of base coat. And once that base coat is applied, I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds. So while the nail is in the lamp for those 30 seconds, I'm going to start folding that chunky glitter. This is really gonna help the chunky glitter hug onto the nail, just because of course the nail has like a curve, and it's really just gonna help it to lay flat. So now I'm just going to use my little tool to place the glitters wherever I want them. As I said, just folding those big glitters will make a big difference when it comes to just having them lay way flatter. So here's just a small close-up of me just taking them and folding them. I do know that there is a tool that came out not too long ago actually, where you can like bend metals and stuff like that. I don't have that. I just do it by hand, but definitely feel free to look into that if that possibly could help you. So after those are applied, I'm going in with a really nice layer of base coat. And using the base coat, I just really want to make sure that I am getting all those little nooks and crannies with the glitters. And I'm going to cure this base coat for 30 seconds. So curing for another 30 seconds. Once those 30 seconds are done, I'm going in with some top coat. So yeah, just going in with top coat. I'm making sure that it's nicely applied, evenly applied, and being conscious of my shape. I really don't want to lose this shape, so I make sure just to wipe the side walls and make sure that it looks good. Want to make sure our nails look snatched. And then I'm going to cure this top coat for 60 seconds. I want to make sure that the nail is completely dry, and of course using my Melody Susie lamp. I will leave a link if you guys are interested. So here's how it came out. This is with the top coat, but I'm going to be sure to run my finger through the nail and make sure that nothing is sticking out. In this case, it was sticking out slightly, just one of them were sticking out, which I'm going to do like a small close-up coming up, and you're definitely going to see it. And what I decided to do was just take the nail off of the stand and make sure to start buffing. So guys, just a quick tip. When I was first starting out with trying to do encapsulation, I would just buff way too much. And the downside is that if you buff too much, then the nail isn't going to be smooth. It's going to leave you with like a bumpy nail. So I just lightly buff and I just run my finger just to make sure that it's still smooth, that I'm not feeling any of that glitter. And once I feel like the nail is smooth, then I just dust it off and pop it right back on the stand. So just make sure that you're not over buffing, just lightly buff the nail. And after that, you're just going to apply some top coat, which is gorgeous. I just love top coat. And I'm using the Sparkle & Co top coat. It's just inside of this Koopa bottle, but yeah, I'll leave the link down below in case you guys are interested. And if you guys have been using a special top coat for a while or something new and you've really been liking it, then leave it in the comments, because lately I've been open to trying some new top coats, which is rare for me. I've been using a Sparkle & Co top coat for like 2 years now. But anyway, this is how the nail came out after those 60 seconds. And I'm actually going to try on the nail so that you guys can see it. But of course, running my finger through and just making sure that it's completely capped, nothing sticking out or anything like that. So I really enjoyed making this video for you guys, and I really enjoy how-to videos. So if you guys have any suggestions, then please let me know. I am also going to be doing a giveaway for Christmas, so please stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I would hate for you to miss out. And I love you guys so much. Please let me know what your thoughts were, or if you have a different technique, then let me know as well. Love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.